So today we have a unboxing and test of a very interesting cable from Baseus. It's a USB Type-C charging cable. It's pretty recently released. It's a bit hard to read here, but display fast charging data cable USB to Type-C 5 amps with digital display of power up to 40 watts. And I have a P30 Pro here. It's my phone, and as you can see, it's a 3% battery remaining, so we will test that out with a genuine Huawei 40 watt charger that came with the P30 Pro. So we'll unbox it quickly. That's the back of the packaging there. USB Type A to Type C. So that's the box there. You get some stickers and a little warranty card book there, so I'll put those to the side. This is the actual cable. So Type A, it only handles USB Type 2.0 data transfer speeds, so up to 480 megabytes per second, so that's a little low. So firstly we'll test the normal charger with the original P30 Pro charging cable. Plug that in there. So as you can see, supercharging there. So we will test the other cable now. Comes with a nice cable management cord. So we'll plug this end into the charger. And you can see how it works here. So the power input slowly increases. I think because it's such a low power in the battery, it's trickle charging it. But it should go up to 40 watts. There we go. So nylon braided construction here, thick quality charging wires in here, and it comes in a variety of colors and 1 meter or 2 meter lengths. This is the red one. They have gray and they have black and a few other ones, and 1 or 2 meters. So as you can see there, it's gone up to 38 watts of power, which is pretty much what I'd expect. It says it goes up to 40, but I haven't seen it go up. So it usually hangs out at around 37, 38, which is the max charging speed for the P30 Pro on a 6% charge, and it is supercharging, or super fast charging. So unplug it there. Supercharging. Compatible with a variety of phones. Up to 40 watts generally for Huawei devices, as far as I can tell. Samsung is a little lower wattage. But that's it. We'll leave it at that for this review.